In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Etsy account for 2025. If you've ever considered selling your handcrafted goods or vintage items, or maybe you're ready to explore a new marketplace, creating an Etsy account is a great starting point. We'll walk through each step in a straightforward manner to make the process as easy as possible. Firstly, you'll need to head over to the Etsy website. Once you're there, you'll notice a variety of options, but what you want to do is focus your attention on the top right corner of the page. Here you'll see a button labeled Sign In. Go ahead and click on that button. Now you're on the sign in screen, which might be a bit overwhelming if it's your first time. Fear not, your next step is to click on Register, which you'll find at the bottom of the sign in box. Now that you're on the registration page, you'll find a form that requires a few key details. Start by filling in your email address, which will be essential for verification and communication. Next, type in your first name. It's important that you provide your real first name, as this can help establish trust with your future customers. Lastly, choose a secure password. A tip here is to use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance the security of your account. Make sure it's something you can remember but isn't easily guessable. If filling out forms isn't quite your style, Etsy offers a handy alternative. You can sign up using your existing Google, Facebook, or Apple account. This integration not only speeds up the process, but also keeps your login details consistent if you're already using one of these services regularly. Simply click on the preferred account option and follow the prompts to link your accounts. Once you've completed the initial registration steps, you'll return to the main Etsy page, where you'll once again see the Sign In button in the top right corner. Click on it just as you did before, but this time you'll enter your newly created credentials. Alternatively, if you linked a social media account, you can use that method to log in. Voila! You've successfully created your Etsy account. From here, you can start exploring the vast marketplace and eventually set up your shop. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with Etsy's layout and tools. They're designed to help guide you in setting up your profile and shop front efficiently. Remember, this platform is a community of sellers who value creativity and unique products, so be sure to align your shop with these values. Now, with your new Etsy account ready to go, you're all set to dive into the world of online selling. Good luck and happy creating!